So I'm going to show you how to install TikTok on a Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. Now, this app is not available in the official App Store for your Smart TV, so you need to sideload it. And to sideload it, the best app for sideloading APKs or installing APK files is the Downloader app. So I have that installed already. I have a whole video on how to get the Downloader app on your Sony Smart TV, so you can check that out. In fact, feel free to pause this video, go watch that, have the downloader installed, and then come back and let's use the downloader to install TikTok. So launch the downloader app. I'm just gonna close this. Then you can go to the text box there and just search TikTok APK. And then hit the search button and it's gonna search the web for APK files for TikTok. So just scroll and find a suitable website to download APKs from. Now you have APK Pure, which is one of the sites. I'm gonna actually go for APK Pure, so I'll go for that. Find the download link. Here it is. Click on that. And it may or may not lead you to yet another page. So these pages are supported with ads, so you might have to contend with the ads there. So here we have the download APK. So let's go ahead and have it downloaded. Just learn how to be patient to deal with these ads. And eventually the download process will begin. So allow the file to get downloaded. With the installation complete, just give it some time to begin or start the installation process. And then you'll be asked if you want to install the application. Just go ahead and click on install and the app should get installed onto your smart TV. And once the app is installed, you can now launch it by clicking open, and that's going to launch TikTok on your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.